What's up, you guys? So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put the Toyota 4Runner in four-wheel drive. One click, done. Four-wheel drive. Now let's put it in 4 low. Gotta come to a complete stop. Shift it to neutral. Put it in 4 low. Now it's in 4 low. This is for when you are really stuck somewhere or need to go 5-10 miles per hour, if that. But you'll get out of anything in 4 low. Shift back to drive. You can see you can only go so fast in 4 low. You see that? Lucky to hit 10 miles per hour. We'll switch it back to 4 high. Shift to neutral, don't forget that. Back to 4 high. Now back to drive. And now back into 2-wheel drive. As easy as that. And we are out of 4-wheel drive. Now guys, just a quick reminder, when you're in 4 high, I want to go, it says you can go 60, but I want to go any faster than 55 miles per hour. You don't want to ruin anything. Check my description for links to Lasfit, Oxido, and Screen Protect. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next video.